Oh. Oh. Hi. It does, doesn't it?
At first it felt weird, like when you're moving around on an airplane or something.
Yeah, and then you come back and you're like, woo! Yeah, it reminds me of my gymnastics days. I'm like, at first it felt funny, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I remember this feeling. Because I did gymnastics for 7 years, and I used to love the floor over there. That actual floor that you perform on, not this floor that bounces more. Oh, yeah. I would love it if... Well, I read it, but I still don't remember everything I read. There was a lot of no-nos. A lot of things you could do and a lot of no-nos, and I'm like, I won't remember all this unless I'm carrying the sheet around with me for every little thing going, wait, okay, no, yeah.
What did you say about the highway?
Yeah. I don't know about that. Yeah. He loves climbing on that mat and then just dropping himself into the pit. He's already done that like five times. Which kind of scares me about like the swimming pool. Is he going to try to do that at the swimming pool?
Gilbert. Look at Mama.
Hi. Hi.
Jill.
Look at that curly hair. I don't know if she's going to have curly hair or not. Every once in a while it looks like she has like a couple little ones.
It's just a short.
Yeah. And it's frizzy on top, like curly hair. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, so I definitely don't think it's going to be like Jacob's, the stick straight. You can tell a difference just in the texture alone. Yeah. Yeah. Like, it's definitely going to have more body no matter what to it than Jacob's does. Look at you. Look at you. Nene. Say Nene. Nene. Say Mama. Mama. Yeah, Mama. Mama. Look at all that hair that this girl has, huh? Look at all that hair. Oh, I almost had your brother. I almost had your brother.